Hey everyone, my name's Hannah and I'm the product marketer here at Matrak. And in today's video, I want to show you 5 tips and tricks that you can do on your custom reports page. So let's get to it. The first tip on your custom reports page is the ability to expand your columns. When creating your custom reports, if the status or descriptions in your columns are cut off, you can actually expand the length of your columns to preview as much of the sales information as you'd like. The second tip is the ability to filter your report. To start, your reports will be listed in their default order. This means that they will be in order of when your IDs were created in Matrak. You can click on the column headers to filter your report in different ways to allow you to retrieve information more efficiently. Clicking your record type header will organize your report in alphabetical order. Clicking the ID header will organize your report in the appropriate order of material flow in which the statuses are ticked off. And if you click the status header and location header once, this will organize the columns in alphabetical order A to Z. If you click it again, it will organize your column alphabetically, but from Z to A. Clicking it a third time will take it back to its default order. The third tip is the ability to quickly find materials that have associated comments or links. Simply click the comment and link column headers, and this will bring any materials that have these associated comments and links to the top of your list. The fourth tip is on how to enlarge your photos for easier view. If you want to expand the attached photos in the photo column of your report, clicking on them will expand any photo into a new tab where you can save, copy, and see them more easily. And your last tip is on the ability to export your report. You can easily export and download your reports into an Excel or CSV file to send to any of your teams or clients if they don't have access into Matrak. And those are your 5 tips and tricks that you can do on your custom reports page. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to helping you gain more value on your custom reports.